sure you're not pulling a hard suction. Then you open up the basket strainer. The lid is attached, so all you have to do is let these flop down. Lifts up. Inside the basket strainer, if you can show a shot of the inside, there's all the floating debris that's in the car wash. So there's, right now on a new construction, there's plastic and glue and things like that. So we want to catch those in the strainer basket. If there's anything, pine straw or anything like that, we'll take that out. And this is what it collects inside here. You can get a close-up. We've got rocks, grit, and then this would go in the trash. So I'm just going to dump it in the trash. Or if you had a bucket, you know, put it in the bucket. And then put it back in. If the basket doesn't have water in it, we would have to reprime it. But we'll see how, if it kicks over on the first try. If not, we'll have to fill the basket with water. Do you have a water hose in here? Okay. These are just going on hand tight. Since this is new, the O-ring looks great. When they get old, sometimes the O-ring falls out, they get stepped on, or they could get dry and cracked, and it will let air go in. So you want to watch out. These are only hand tight. Don't let anybody sit here with a screwdriver and crank it down. All right, so that's all you do. Make sure those are tight. Go back to the pump, go to hand. See how it's pulling a nice hard suction? It's bringing water in. This has a timer on it, so it's waiting to see water here. I think we have a 3-minute timer, so if it doesn't pull in 3 minutes, it will automatically shut itself down. But we're primed, we have pressure here, we have pressure here. So I'm going to switch this back to auto. That's all there is to it. That's once a week. While they're doing that, they can check the gross particle filter here on the oxygen concentrator. If it's dirty, clean it. That's more of a once a month.